wanted to share a little bit about my journey through medical school. I matched at Geisinger Health Systems, which is in Danville, Pennsylvania. It's an enormous hospital system. They have like 5 helipads there. It's like state-of-the-art pediatrics there. So I actually interviewed at 13 different programs and matched at my second choice. So really, really happy with that and super excited to start.
Cost is number one, and then success of the graduates will be number 2. A lot of experience that will give me that one-on-one I need when it's needed, that provided teamwork, that encouragement that I need to be successful in the course.
I like that they guarantee that you're going to pass step 1. That's something that's nice that they offer that.
The most important factor to me is the support system going into rotations and going into residency. How well does that school help you find the rotations that you want? The elective rotations, like if you want to specialize in, emergency medicine or pediatrics or, whatever it is. A huge part of your residency application, I know, is on your step 1 score. And so as long as you pass it the first time around and pass it with a good score, you're that much closer to getting a good residency spot.
Always an open house, because you can meet people who have been through the experience, talk to the advisors, place that face with that voice that you hear on the phone.
When you're on the spot trying to think of all the questions you can in front of them, they don't come to you, but it's not a big deal because she gave us all of her contact information if I thought of any later, but so far all of my questions were answered today.
So to actually come experience it and see it firsthand and actually get to talk to the people that are going to be helping you reach your dream is a very, very, very important experience. I had a lot of questions coming in. My family came in with the hammer, and I was surprised when she crossed off most of her questions off her list, because she came in ready to grill people. And before the Q&A even started, about 90% of the questions were answered, and then they were all knowledgeable about the rest.
I thought it was really thorough. They went through a lot of things of what life is like down there, what studying is like, and what the whole process is from starting on your first day on the island all the way through to residency and matching.